Hey guys, a very good morning to all my crypto peculiars. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the CoinMonks got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. FC Barcelona, Man City cancelled crypto deals, show cash is not everything. NFT wins Collins Dictionary's Word of the Year award. Bitfinex Derivatives launches perpetual swaps for Shiba Inu and OMG network. Coinbase reportedly down for some users after fixing connectivity issue. So let's start off with our refresh feed. Firstly, the sports industry should heed the warning signs as they adopt emerging blockchain technologies such as NFTs, experts warn. I wonder if they are correct. Anyways, who am I to question the experts? I'm just Tom Holland learning from Toby, right? Another Spider-Man reference, you see. Anyways, let's move forward with our topic with the headline being the coronavirus pandemic had a significant impact on the sports sector. The majority of leagues were suspended and teams had to play without an audience for a lengthy period of time. Sports teams were looking for new revenue streams and the crypto sector stepped in to help with lucrative arrangements. Over the previous year, a slew of prominent sports club collaborations have made headlines. National teams and major club federations have followed suit. It was even more surprised when FC Barcelona and Manchester City, two of Europe's most famous soccer clubs, both ended their cryptocurrency-related marketing arrangements in the same week. In the months preceding up to the announcement of the contract with Onyx, Barcelona had been approached by a number of NFT marketplaces. Many of the competitors had a great track records in the NFT market, but Barcelona went for a relatively unknown brand. According to Magnell, what this demonstrates to me is that Barcelona focused entirely on the money on the table rather than conducting thorough due diligence as they would for any other sponsorship agreement. Manchester City has also halted its partnership with 3Key, which the club had recently launched as a regional partner in decentralized finance, trading analysis, and advising technology a week ago. He added that the crypto market is full of small NFT firms willing to fork over 10 times more money than major exchanges in order to land big deals with sports clubs, warning that this should be a red flag for any club, which should then ramp for its internal review process and conduct a deep dive into the company and its owners. So moving forward with our next segment, Collins Dictionary's shortlist also included the words crypto and metaverse. In its 2021 Word of the Year list, Collins Dictionary acknowledges the current NFT growth. You know how much is crypto growing when one of our four words is becoming the Word of the Year, right? They're making it to football next. I wonder what's next. A banner on the moon with Elon Musk? Well, who knows? But what we know is our next inscription. Let me describe it. Beeple sold a tokenized JPEG for $69 million at Christie's, Grimes, and The Weeknd used Ethereum to create tokens for their music. And now Collins Dictionary has named NFT the word of the year. Crypto, metaverse, and other terms like neopronoun, climate anxiety, and shuki came out on the top of a shortlist that also included crypto, metaverse, and other phrases. Throughout the year, NFTs were discussed in breathless news headlines and on social media according to Collins Dictionary's announcement of the prize. It also made a point about how vital digital art was in demonstrating the technology's potential. What's truly captivated the public's interest around NFTs is the application of this technology to sell art, according to the announcement citing Beeple's Christie's sale in March as a watershed moment for the industry. While Beeple's record-breaking sale made headlines throughout the world at the time, the NFT field saw a slew of other significant developments as it became more mainstream during the year. This year, a number of notable musicians, including The Weeknd, Eminem, Grimes, and Aphex Twin, have released their own NFTs, while other celebrities, including Tom Brady, Snoop Dogg, and Jimmy Fallon, have embraced the movement by purchasing their own. Several big tech behemoths, including Collins Dictionary, appears to have released the influence of NFTs made in 2021. Twitter hinted in September that it will enable NFT authentication after abandoning its own tokens. Following that, Facebook announced its rebranding as Meta, igniting a cryptocurrency market frenzy for metaverse-related projects. Discord had stated that it will incorporate Ethereum to facilitate NFT, although the plans have since been shelved due to community opposition. So moving forward with our next interesting update. So Shiba Inu is back in the news again. Looks like Doge Killer is all set to remove it from the headlines as it's bringing up its new users day by day. I wonder what will effect the Elon Musk's tweet have on whom next time. Are you all excited? I am. Let's have a look at what's getting cooked. Bitfinex Derivatives, a Bitfinex Derivatives platform, launched perpetual contracts for Shiba Inu, OMG Network, Bitcoin and Euro Tether, and Ethereum and Euro Tether yesterday. Next month, the couples will go live. Tether coins will be used to settle Shiba Inu and OMG network contracts. Euro Tether will be used to settle BTC F0, EUT F0 and ETH F0, EUT F0. Users can get up to 100x leverage on all the contracts. In a statement, Paolo Ardoino, CTO of Bitfinex Derivatives, stated, "We're thrilled to announce the addition of Shiba Inu, OMG Network, Bitcoin, Euro Tether to the increasing portfolio of perpetual swaps available to trade on the exchange. We anticipate great interest in these products, particularly among funds and professional investors for hedging purposes and to manage risk," he added. Derivatives give investors access to an underlying asset without the headaches of owing or securing it. These products are also offered with leverage, which allows investors and traders to get a higher market exposure with a lower initial investment. Shiba Inu, a meme coin named after the adorable Shiba Inu dog breed, has grown in popularity over the last year after repaying over 6,500,000% to early investors. This month, it surpassed Avalanche, Kusama, and other ostensibly serious crypto projects to become a top 10 cryptocurrency by market cap. It has now become a popular among futures traders with tens of millions of dollars in Shiba Inu futures exchanged just in the last days, and Bitfinex wants a piece of the action. So moving forward with our last segment for today morning. So apparently Nasdaq listed cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase reportedly continues to face some system difficulties after experiencing a major connectivity problem. Both Coinbase brokerage and its trading platform Coinbase Pro were unavailable on November 23 due to connectivity issues on both platforms, Coinbase support officially reported. Well, I guess they'll try their best to solve it out. I wish good luck to them. Don't worry, dear customers. Anyways, let's describe the current situation. The bug was no longer affecting Coinbase products and services as of 2 a.m. UTC on November 24, according to the exchange. According to Coinbase's incident and scheduled maintenance histories, the situation was resolved in less than 2 hours. This could result in failed trades, delayed transactions, and unusual behavior on the Coinbase website and mobile apps, the company warned. The bug was no longer affecting Coinbase products and services as of 2 a.m. UTC on November 24, according to the exchange. According to Coinbase's incident and scheduled maintenance histories, the situation was resolved in less than 2 hours. A number of users quickly took to social media to vent their displeasure with the platform's frequent connectivity troubles, with several observers pointing out that Coinbase had a similar problem just a month ago. Coinbase's connectivity troubles have been attributed by several users to rallying coins such as Shiba Inu, Gien, and Crypto.com. According to CoinGecko.data, the coin increased by more than 300% after Coinbase put it on its platform in early November. According to Coinbase status, Gien has been unavailable for buying, selling, and trading on Coinbase owing to technical issues since November 19. Following the exchange's announcement that the problem had been resolved, some Coinbase users have reportedly continued to encounter troubles using the platform. "I wake up and Coinbase is still down a day later. Imagine the lawsuits if a stock exchange did something like that," a Coinbase user said. Despite Coinbase support still accepting fresh user complaints on Twitter, the exchange declined to provide more details about the problem or its reasons. So we would now wind up with our assessment for today morning and meet you all in the evening with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.